if they are citizens, legal citizens of the United States in terms of voting. For example, a lot of people who come to this country, they get a driver's license years in advance before they ever become a citizen. But if they become a citizen, they might not necessarily get a new license.
We have no information that would lead us to believe that there are presently any non-citizens on the voter rolls. And we are working with the Department of Homeland Security on an agreement as to how we would access that information.
Have you kicked off anyone or taken anyone off because they appear not to be a citizen?
I am not aware of a case where that's happened.
Do you expect that agreement to come before the November election?
I wouldn't want to put a time frame on it. We're working with them to make sure that we do it in a way that everybody is comfortable with.
Secretary, are you losing sleep over the pending court's decision? I mean, the nation is looking in at Florida, and the nation is looking in at Ohio. And we're hearing reports nationally that Ohio is in disarray because we don't know whether weekend before election voting is going to happen or not. So, would you want a quicker resolution of that?
I would welcome early resolution to any outstanding issues, no matter what they are. Because the more time we have, the better we can prepare for the election. Am I losing sleep over it? Not at all. We're prepared. Everything in Ohio is ready to go. The local boards of elections are doing their job. Everything that we've asked them to do so far, they have complied with on time. We have our voter rolls are in the best shape that they've ever been. Our expansive early absentee mailing has gone very well in terms of making sure that all voters have received an absentee ballot request. We're seeing great response to that. As we're seeing great response to that, that means that we can spread out the rush for voting over a longer period of time. That is going to reduce the chance that there will be long lines at the polls on election day. Boards of elections are checking out their machines. They're checking them twice. We're ready to go. And so I know that it's still 35 days, a little more than 35 days before the election, and national media are trying to find some things to talk about in swing states when there doesn't really seem to be anything new. But everything is prepared to run smoothly in Ohio. You know, you're the state media. You're not the national media. You know how things are here. You've seen how everything has operated in the past. We have learned from 2004. We learned from 2000. We learned from 2004. We learned from 2008. I'm sure we'll learn things in 2012. But the lessons of the past, you know, as I say, Ohio has seen the hottest fires, and we are the strongest steel. We are prepared for this election, and things will run very smoothly.
Mr. Secretary, about the issue 2, the